How to add Amazon affiliate link on TikTok. So in order to add an affiliate link to your TikTok video, what we can do is we first need to head over to our TikTok right there. Click onto the TikTok, and from in there you should be able to see in here this. So what we can do is we can head over to this plus icon, click onto this plus icon right here, and click onto this, and make sure to allow it access for your video. I'll head over and choose this one. Click on next, and then you should be able to see this. Click on next again, and in there you can see this. We have in here this option to add a link. So click onto this add link option, and you have option to add either ticket link or the likes, or you can also add in here or put in here the link into the description as well. From in there you can click onto this post right here if you want to post this on your TikTok. So that's how you add Amazon affiliate link on TikTok. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really helps support the channel. And if you got a question, just drop it in the comments.